Hi there, and thanks for joining Mom's Been Busy, a channel dedicated to lifestyle and motherhood topics. My name's Claire Wisniewski, and today we'll be unboxing and assembling the UPPAbaby Mesa car seat and a Vista V2 stroller. Let's get started. Okay, step one was not very intuitive to me, but the first thing you want to do when it's folded over like this on one side, so right now with the handles facing away from me, there's a small gray little tab, and if you push it inwards, it'll unlock. There are two different types of wheels, and so the instructions will tell you one has the pointy piece on top, so it's going to go in the front, make sure it clicks in. The other one has the pointy piece coming out the side of the wheel, and that'll go in the back. Okay, that took me a minute, but you actually would push in the UB button on the outside of the wheel in order for this inside piece to fit. Okay, so it comes with the seat as well as the bassinet. And then we of course have the Mesa infant carrier, which should be able to fit right on these adapters. So we're gonna try that out in a minute as well. So at the top, on the back side of the seat, you can actually click this little gray button and change your direction. There it is. And then if you want to pull that out, super easy. We can drop our bassinet in. Okay, could be pregnancy brain, user error, probably many things. This was not intuitive for me to take off. I kept looking at these buttons, but these are the release for the screen. Ultimately, if you want to take your bassinet off, you're going to click the top button on the handle and it'll release. Last but not least, let's drop our infant carrier on here, see how that works. Nice easy click in. Move that out of our way. Pretty easy. Yep, top click on your handle again. Off you go. And then we can actually make this smaller using these gray points right here, pull up, and everything collapses. Not too heavy and pretty easy to travel with. All right, overall not too bad, even at 30 weeks pregnant. I did it on my own, although I did have to have a couple consultations with my husband on some buttons, but other than that, pretty doable.